Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe I'm sharing with you a Lent recipe that you guys can play around with and substitute shrimp for any other type of meat you like. So let's dive straight into the recipe. Here I have my shrimp already washed and cleaned, and I'm adding some salt and some black pepper to taste. Next we're going to go in with some freshly minced ginger and minced garlic. We're going in with some Chinese parsley. This adds a lot of flavor. And some chopped bell peppers, chopped onions. I went in with some pimento peppers and some tomatoes chopped. Now I'm going in with some ketchup. Next we're going to go in with some sweet chili sauce. You guys can add 1 hot pepper to this if you like, if you wanted to make it spicy. Next goes in some oyster sauce and some occou powder or occou liquid. This is just going to enhance the color in this dish. We want a really nice red color. And then I'm going in with some button mushrooms and toss to combine. Once combined, this goes into your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about half an hour. When it's done, it creates its own sauce and it's absolutely delicious. I like serving this with either plain white rice or a fried rice goes with it really great. So that's as simple and as easy as it gets to make this delicious Lent recipe. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it and let me know down below if you like it. Remember to substitute any type of other meat as I suggested, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!